Hi everyone, this is the first open box video for Tuya's Smart Control Panel L. This panel has 5-inch screen with 2 mics on the front, with very high resolution of 226 ppi, and also a detour sensor here to detect people's motion. When they approach the screen, it will automatically light up. So let's check on the back. You can say this is designed for installation for the North and Latin America region. The installation base here with 2, one is for the loud wine, the other is for neutral wine. And also it has replaced 2 relays of the switch, so it can directly connect here. It has Wi-Fi and Zigbee and Bluetooth mesh gateway inside, but also to keep stable connection with the internet has an extra intranet. For the project use, we have 485 protocols here. And also another feature is that you will see there's a mute hardware button here to help you keep privacy while you have the voice interaction with this device. How you can log in the device and how to connect to Alexa. After you have installed them on the wall and you have this page, you just choose the language. For you to choose the language to start, you choose English. Then you have 2 options, wine network and wireless. Let's connect the Wi-Fi here. Okay, we choose the Tuya test. Let me input the passcode. Okay, it has connected to the Wi-Fi and you agree the user notice. You use your Tuya app to scan the code. Okay, now we have added this device successfully. Now we log in Alexa. Oh, next step. Okay, we're now connecting to Alexa. Continue.
Resuming iHeart Radio.
Get started. And now is the password. Okay, you granted access.
Now your device connected the internet.
Okay, now you have connected the internet, you choose the language, you save it. Okay, now you check on the panel itself. You have all the devices here. And also you can use Alexa right now. Alexa, how are you?
My Wednesday's been whimsical.